गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय ओम शांति शांति शांति. Okay. In the previous class, we discussed about the lesson number 2 and we solved that exercises also, isn't it? So now today we'll move to the one poem, one sweet poem, that is poem number 3, The Brave Little Kite. The Brave Little Kite. Before starting the poem, I would like to ask you some questions. In India, which festival is linked to kites? In India, which festival is linked to kites? ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಹಬ್ಬ, ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಬ್ಬ, ಯಾವ ಹಬ್ಬ ಕೈಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ? ಕೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಗಾಳಿಪಟ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾರಿಸ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಗಾಳಿಪಟ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಣ್ಣ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಗಾಳಿಪಟಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಹಬ್ಬದೊಳಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗಾಳಿಪಟವನ್ನ ಹಾರಿಸ್ತೀರಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಹಬ್ಬ? ಎನಿ ಗೆಸ್ಸಸ್? ಯಸ್, ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಶೀಗೆ ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ. ಶೀಗೆ ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೊಲಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಗಾಳಿಪಟವನ್ನ ಹಾರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೀಗೆ ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವಿ ಫ್ಲೈ ದ kites, isn't it? So have you flied the kites? kites ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹಾರಿಸಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಗಾಳಿಪಟವನ್ನ, ಹೆಂಗ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಹಾರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ? ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಕು ಕೂಡ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೇಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಳಿಪಟ ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೊಂಥರ ಏನೋ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, isn't it? So now today the poem is about the kites. Okay, shall I start the poem? Okay, let us read. I can never do it, the little kite said, as he looked at the others high over his head. I know I would fall if I tried to fly. I'll repeat once again. I can never do it, the little kite said. See here they have two kites are there. Okay, you can see here also. Two kites are there and this kite is the big kite. This one is the big kite. Okay. And the another one, this one is the little kite. This one is the little kite. Little kite. Okay. I have drawn here two kites. The one is big kite and the another one is little kite. Okay. You students see. Can you observe it? Big kite and little kite. Shall we move? Okay. I can never do it, the little kite said. The little kite said that I can never do it. As he looked at the others high over his head, as he looked at others high over his, it means the little kite said by seeing the up that other kites were so higher than the little kite. The big kite was so higher. As he looked at the others high over his head means on his head others were flying, other big kites were flying. I know I would fall if I tried to fly. And also the kite is saying that if I tried to fly means I know I would fall. ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬೀಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದು ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಬಿಗ್ ಕೈಟ್ ಕಿನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೋದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? The small little kite is said. Next, try, said the big kite, only try. Try, said the big kite, only try. Or I fear you will never learn at all. Or I fear you will never learn at all. But the little kite said, I am afraid I will fall. But the little kite said, I am afraid I will fall. Okay. The big kite said that only try, try, only try. Try ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡು, ನೀನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು the big kite said to the little kite, ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡು, try, only try, just ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡು. Or I fear you will ಇದೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಕಲಿಯೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಫಿಯರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್. ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನೀ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀನ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕಲಿಯೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಬಿಗ್ ಕೈಟ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಕೈಟಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. But the little kite said, I am afraid I will fall. The little kite said that, no, I am afraid I will fall. If I try to fly means, I know I will fall. I am afraid. Afraid means ಹೆದರಿಕೆ. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಂಗೆ ಹಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೀರಿ ಹಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಕೈಟ್ said. But the big kite nodded, well, goodbye. The big kite nodded. Nodded means to giving the some look. Nodded means strongly look or a stared look. The big kite gave to the little kite and said that, well, goodbye. Okay, if you not try means then okay, goodbye. I will move. Goodbye. The big kite said to the little kite, well, goodbye. I am off, and he rose towards the tranquil sky. I am off, and he rose towards the tranquil sky. And also the big kite said that I am off. By saying that I am off, the big kite said to the goodbye to the little kite, and he ran off towards the tranquil sky. Tranquil means what? Calm or still. Calm. The sky, how the sky looks? The sky is very calm, isn't it? So, tranquil sky. Here there is a new word called tranquil. Okay, tranquil means calm. I will run towards the calm sky, the big kite said. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the side. By hearing these words, the little kite's paper stirred at the side. Stirred andre means moved around. ಗರಗರನೆ ಆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಕೈಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು? ತಿರುಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಸ್ಟೇರ್ಡ್. Stirred means moved around. Moved around. Okay. So the little kite, the big kite said goodbye, and that big kite ran towards the tranquil sky, calm sky. He ran towards that. Next, the little kite stirred means moved around. The little kite moved around at the side, and trembling he shook himself free for flight. Trembling means shaking due to nervousness. The little kite started to do nervousness, shaking due to nervousness. They started to nervousness. Which kite? The little kites. Here again there is a new word called trembling. So trembling means shaking due to nervousness. Shaking. Trembling means shaking. The little kite started to shaking due to its nervousness. Come, all of you getting? Understanding my point? What I am telling? Okay. Next, first whirling and frightened, then braver grown. First whirling. Whirling means spinning quickly in circles. Circles ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರುಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Whirling. ಈ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಕೈಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಿಗೆ whirling, spinning quickly in circles. ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಒಂಥರ ಗರ 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 ತಿರುಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಬ್ರೇವರ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಬ್ರೇವರ್. ಬ್ರೇವರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಧೈರ್ಯ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬಂತು, ಬೆಳಿತಾ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬರೋದು. ಅಪ್ ಅಪ್ ಹಿ ರೋಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಏರ್ ಅಲೋನ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಮೇಲೆ 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 ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಅಪ್ ಅಪ್ ಹಿ ರೋಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಏರ್ ಅಲೋನ್. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಗ್ ಕೈಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಿಗ್ ಕೈಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಕೈ ಹತ್ರ, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಈ ತಿರುಗ್ತಾ ನರ್ವಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಬ್ರೇವರಿಯನ್ನ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತು. Till the big kite looking down could see the little one rising steadily. Till the big kite, ಈ ಬಿಗ್ ಕೈಟು ತುಂಬಾ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ. ಯಾರನ್ನ? ಈ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಕೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಒನ್ ವಾಸ್ ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಲಿ. ಅದ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಿಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾರೋದ್ ಕಲಿತೆ ಅಂತಂದು ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಗ್ ಕೈಟ್ was observing that little kite. Here steadily means firmly. Steadily means firmly. Means the little kite, the big kite was waiting for the little kite was to try and fly steadily means firmly. The big kite wanted to the little kite become the firmly without shaking or the without nervousness. That kite used to fly. Next, what happens? Then how the little kite thrilled with the pride. Then how the little kite was thrilled with the pride. Thrilled means very pleased and excited. Thrilled means excited. Excited. So up the little kite ran towards the sky means little bravery grown, and the little kite let that shaking or the nervousness or the whirling trembling all it removed that, and the little kite got that the what? Excited. He's thrilled about the that sight. And he sailed with the big kite side by side. Then how the little kite thrilled with the pride, and he sailed with the big kite side by side. ಈ little kite ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು? ಬಿಗ್ ಕೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಸೈಡ್, ಬಿಗ್ ಕೈಟ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿತು. ವಿತ್ ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಬಂತು, ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಗರ್ವ ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ when the little kite learned to fly, then the little kite got that thrill and pride, and he sailed with a big kite side by side. Why? Far below he could see the ground. Means the little kite went up and up, far away from the ground. Then he can look down easily towards the ground. While far below he could see the ground, and the boys like a small dots moving around. When the little kite was upside in the sky, then in the ground can see what? Very little bit, little. And also the boys like a small dots moving around. Ella boys ಏನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ತರ ಆ ಒಂದು ಲಿಟಲ್ ಕೈಟಿಗೆ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮೇಲ್ದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅತಿ ಮೇಲ್ದಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾರೆ? ಆ ಪಟ ಹಾರಿಸುವಂತ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ತರ, ಚುಕ್ಕೆಗಳ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು? ಈ ಒಂದು ಲಿಟಲ್ ಕೈಟ್ ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, they rested high in the quiet air. They rested high in the quiet air. They means the big kite and the little kite. The big kite and the little kite, both kite were rested in the fly air, quiet air. Quiet ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಕೈ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಕೂಡ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟಡಿಲಿ ಇದ್ವು. And only the birds and the clouds were there. And only birds and the clouds were there. In the sky, who will be there? The clouds, isn't it? The sky is full of clouds and also birds. Some birds and the clouds were there in that sky. Oh, how happy I am! The little kite cried. Oh, how happy I am! The little kite cried. Because with the happiness, the little kite started to cry. Oh, how happy I am! The sight is very beautiful, isn't it? You can imagine that when you are standing in the higher position, then all the things will look like teeny little bit small dots, isn't it? And with the fresh air, birds, clouds, isn't it? So wonderful it is. So I am very happy. How happy I am. The little kite cried. The little kite started to cry. And all because I was brave and I tried. And all because I was brave and I tried. See, here one thing, the little kite tried to fly, then only it went up higher and higher, isn't it? So without trying, the little kite cannot reach the sky and the clouds, isn't it? Even they cannot feel that the birds and clouds in the sky without going higher and higher, isn't it? But it tried and finally the little kite reached the sky and feel the all birds and clouds over there, isn't it? Okay, and all because I was brave and I tried. The little kite become very brave, isn't it? Because of that braveness that went up higher and higher, isn't it, children? So this poem is completed and this poem is written by Catherine Pylchester. Catherine Pylchester. The poem is written by the poet is Catherine. Okay. So the moral of this poem is, when you try, you can reach your goal. Try again and again until you get success. Without trying, you cannot achieve anything, isn't it? This is the moral of this poem. So read this poem and make a list of new words. There are 5 new words in this poem, that is tranquil, stirred, trembling, steadily, thrilled. And also I have written here meaning also. Make a list of this and read the poem. Okay? We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.